What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on ENS, Ethereum Name Services, which has gone for a major increase in value over the last 2 days. As you guys can see, two huge green candlesticks can only mean one thing. In the last 24 hours itself, it has pumped up near about 44%, currently trading at just below $21. Again, not just ENS, but the majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the green side, with Ethereum pumping over 22% in the last 24 hours, which is a major pump, which has had a major impact on the crypto market. So today's focus is on ENS, looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it? Or is it simply time to hold on to it? So we are going to be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term in 2024, what we can expect, and is this a crypto worth investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, the crypto has literally broken out from two resistance levels, and the third one, however, it has dropped back down into the blue zone right now. So literally 48 hours ago it was trading in the green zone at around about $15, let's say. Literally broke out without any resistance into the dark green zone, and earlier this morning broke out from the dark green zone into the blue zone and into the top tier level, but has since dropped back down into the blue zone right now. So we'll go into more details very soon. So for now, let's hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Ethereum Name Service, which is here in purple at $15.30. However, the crypto is trading at a slightly higher value here in red at near about $21, meaning it is performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we're not looking too great. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from ENS over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should have taken a little bit of a step back in value, which I also agree with. However, I'm not expecting a major drop or a crash. In fact, I'm expecting it to drop just below the $20 mark is what I'm expecting at the moment. So as you guys can see, nothing too crazy. And indeed, I'm expecting it to pump up over $22 prior to that over the next couple of hours, later on this afternoon, evening time, pumping up over $22 before it slowly starts to hit red candles towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, dropping down below $20. So it is likely to be quite volatile with green and red candles, but the overall outcome does seem to be more on the negative side. Again, another reason is because the crypto has pumped up quite a bit over the last 24 hours, so it is slightly overvalued and in for a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a price correction, hence why I'm expecting an overall drop in value. Moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what do we have here? The blue line is again looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line is looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So what we have here is two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming week or so. However, I am expecting ENS to have gone through an overall minimal increase in value up to around $23 to $24 in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at. Reason being is Over the next couple of days, I'm expecting it to hit red candles, taking a little bit of a step back before it pumps back up towards the end of this week, early next week, heading up to around $23 to $24. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from ENS over the coming week. Moving on to the daily chart, now we're looking a little bit too steep. The blue line is looking way too steep to be realistic. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late July 2024, I'm expecting ENS to have gone through over the $30 mark is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, you guys know how volatile the crypto market can be, so if there are any major updates to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So at the moment, I'm expecting Ethereum name service to be trading over the $30 mark by July. Again, another reason is I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be hitting a new all-time high over the next couple of weeks, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market overall. So far so good for ENS. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale once again. So we are currently in the blue zone, and it is likely to step back down into the dark green zone over the coming days, going for a little bit of a step back in value before it pumps back up into the blue zone over the coming week or two, potentially heading into the top tier level by early to mid June and into July as well, heading over the $30 mark is what I'm expecting, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,500% in the last 24 hours, making it over $363 million in trading, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious: the crypto has pumped up like crazy over the last 24 hours, so we are seeing a lot more people trading it from both buyers and sellers point of view, which in return is also helping the value of ENS pump up higher. Over the week, just about 50% up, majority of it coming from today and yesterday, and over the month it is up 40%. As you guys can see, for most of the month it was fluctuating between $15 and $16, and right now has increased in value once again. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on ENS, guys. Let me know in the comment section down below, how high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? I've seen a lot of people saying the $100 mark is easily achievable. Well, it's easy to say, however, when you work out how much percentage increase it's going to have to go through, it is, well, quite unlikely that ENS will hit the $100 mark. However, reasonable amount would be about $40 to $50, I would say, by the very end of the year. But comment down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.